Current Affairs, March 2020, 100 Most Important Questions. Dear students, current affair is the most important section in every competitive exam these days. So we have prepared a set of 100 most important questions for month March 2020. We will soon upload some more videos like this for each month. We will also upload MCQ for other important subjects. Kindly subscribe if you find it useful and want more videos from us, and leave your valuable comments so that we can improve this according to you. Important for exams. All state PCS, SSC, CGL, CHSL, banking, railways and other one-day competitive exams by VK Misra. Contents are subject to copyright. Which one of the following countries has recently conducted third general election in a year? Options are first Singapore, second Britain, third Israel, fourth Afghanistan. And the answer is third Israel. Neck binding, often seen in the news recently, is associated with options are first social media marketing, second internet access, third drone technology, fourth none of these. And the answer is second internet access. The Global Gender Gap Report 2020 was published recently by which of the following organization? Options are first United Nations, second UNESCO, third World Bank, fourth World Economic Forum. And the answer is fourth World Economic Forum. What is the rank of India in the Global Gender Gap Report 2020? Options are 112, 122, 130th and 119. And the answer is first 112. Women Transforming India Award was given every year by options are first International Labour Organization, second Women Commission, third Niti Aayog, fourth both second and third. And the answer is third Niti Aayog. Namaste portal is related to which of the following ministries? Options are first Ministry of Rural Development, second Ministry of Ayush, third Ministry of Culture, fourth Ministry of Tribal Affairs. And the answer is second Ministry of Ayush. Mission Zero accident is associated with which of the following? Options are first Make in India, second World Road Association, third Niti Aayog, fourth Ministry of Railways. And the answer is fourth Ministry of Railways. Bhumi Rasi portal comes under which of the following ministry? Options are first Ministry of Railway, second Ministry of Mines, third Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and fourth Ministry of Commerce. And the answer is third Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Statement of the State of the Global Climate in 2019 report was published by options are first Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC, second World Meteorological Organization WMO, third the Energy and Resource Institute TERI, none of the above. And the answer is second World Meteorological Organization WMO. Following statement regarding to PM Care Fund are correct. Options are first, it is public charitable trust with a primary objective of dealing with any kind of emergency or distress situation. Second, this fund will also enable micro donation. Third, Prime Minister is the chairman of this trust and its members include Defense Minister, Home Minister and Finance Minister. And the answer is all of the above. Dr. V.K. Paul Committee is related to which of the following? Options are first, prevention and control of COVID-19, second, prevention of farmer suicide, third, public-private partnership in railways, fourth, new education policy. And the answer is first, prevention and control of COVID-19. Who has been reappointed as RBI Deputy Governor? And options are first Manoj Sinha, second BP Kanungo, third NS Viswanathan, four all of the above, and the answer is second BP Kanungo. The Government of India has set up how many empowered groups for COVID-19? Options are first 16, second 9, third 11, fourth 15. And the answer is third 11. What are the new dates for Tokyo Olympics 2020? Options are first July 23 to August 8th, 2022, second July 23 to August 8th, 2021, 3rd August 23 to September 8, 2021, fourth none of these. And the answer is 2nd July 23 to August 8, 2021. Which nation's prime minister has been tested positive for COVID-19? Options are first France, second Spain, third China, fourth United Kingdom. And the answer is 4 United Kingdom. The G20 leaders have pledged to inject how much amount in the global economy to reduce COVID-19 impact? Options are first $5 trillion, second $15 trillion, third $20 trillion, and fourth $25 trillion. And the answer is first $5 trillion. The Manrega wage has been increased to how much per day? Options are first rupees 200, second rupees 150, third rupees 302, and four rupees 202. And the answer is 4 rupees 202. The Legislative Assembly of which among the following states has become paperless? Options are first Karnataka, second Telangana, third Arunachal Pradesh, fourth Punjab. And the answer is third Arunachal Pradesh. Indian Railways launched its first restaurant on wheels for railway passenger and common people at which station? Options are first Jaipur, second Asansol, third Darbhanga, fourth Dibrugarh. And the answer is second Asansol. What is the theme of World Wildlife Day 2020? Options are first sustaining all life on earth, second life below water for people and planet, three big cats, four none of these. And the answer is first sustaining all life on earth. When was World Wildlife Day observed? Options are first March 22nd, 2020, March 3, 2020, March 16, 2020, and March 8, 2020. And the answer is second March 3, 2020. Which among the following cruise ship has been stranded off the coast of California over coronavirus fear? Options are first Grand George, second Yokohama Princess, third Diamond George, and fourth Diamond Princess. And the answer is fourth Diamond Princess. Who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner? Options are first Ajay Pandey, second N.K. Verma, third Bimal Julka, and fourth Vijay Singh. And the answer is third Bimal Julka. When is International Women's Day observed? 8th March, 15th March, 31st March, 21st March. And the answer is first 8th March. Which country's parliament recently passed resolution that allows the president of that country to be in the office till 2036? Options are first China, second Iran, third Russia, fourth Iraq. And the answer is third Russia. What was the theme of World Consumer Rights Day, which has been celebrated on 15th March 2020? Options are first Trusted Smart Product, second the Sustainable Consumer, third the Sustainable Product, and fourth none of these. And the answer is second the Sustainable Consumer. When was Earth Hour 2020 celebrated? Options are first Monday 30th March, second Sunday 29th March, third Friday 27th March, fourth Saturday 28th March. And the answer is fourth Saturday 28th March. Which one of the following pairs is not matched correctly? First, Yugadi, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gudi Padwa, Maharashtra, Goa, Sajibu Charoba, Manipur, Navreh, Punjab. And the answer is 4. Navreh, Punjab. Which region was declared by central government as an ecological sensitive region? Options are first Western Ghats, second National Chambal Abhyaran, third Okhla Bird Sanctuary, fourth Sundarbans, West Bengal. And the answer is second National Chambal Abhyaran. Who was appointed the new Finance Secretary? Options are first Ajay Bhushan Pandey, second Vijay Kumar, third Harshvardhan Singh, four none of these. And the answer is first Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Which country has become the first country in the world to offer free public transport? And the options are first Austria, second Belgium, third Luxembourg, fourth Germany. And the answer is third Luxembourg. Which state's Khola chili was awarded GI tag? Options are first Nagaland, second Goa, third Rajasthan, fourth Telangana. And the answer is second Goa. Which international organization released the report titled A New Era for Girls, taking stock on 25 years of progress? Options are first International Labour Organization, second International Monetary Fund, third UNESCO, and four UNICEF, Plan International, and United Nations Women. And the answer is four UNICEF, Plan International, and United Nations Women. Which leader has been voted the greatest leader of all time in a poll conducted by BBC World History magazine? Options are first Nelson Mandela, second Mahatma Gandhi, three Maharaja Ranjit Singh, four Abraham Lincoln. And the answer is third Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Recently, world's first digital solution exchange cloud, Gokadal, was launched in which country? Options are first India, second South Korea, third Japan, and fourth none. And the answer is first India. The fourth Global Ayurveda Festival to be held during May 16 to 20th, 2020 will be organized in which city? Options are first Lucknow, second Kochi, third Kolkata, fourth Jabalpur. And the answer is second Kochi. Scores app SEBI Complaints Redress System is launched by which among the following institutions? Options are first Niti Aayog, second Ministry of Finance, third SEBI, fourth none of these. And the answer is third SEBI. Gairden, as the new summer capital, is a tehsil located in which district of Uttarakhand? Options are first Almora, second Nainital, third Rudraprayag, fourth Chamoli. And the answer is fourth Chamoli. Which of the following statement is correct? Options are first, Finland is ranked as the world's happiest country for the third consecutive year. Second, India rank dropped to 144 from the last year 140. Third, World's Happiness Report 2020 is released by Sustainable Development Solutions Network. For all of these, and the answer is all of these. Which organization releases the Freedom in the World 2020 report? Options are first, Economist Intelligence Unit, second, Civil Liberties, third, Freedom House, fourth, the Democracy Unit. And the answer is third, Freedom House. Recently, which country has joined the Indian Ocean Commission (IOC) as an observer state? Options are first China, second India, third United States, and fourth Afghanistan. And the answer is second India. Recently, the United States and Taliban militants have signed historic peace agreement in. Options are first Doha, second Finland, third Abu Dhabi, fourth Riyadh. And the answer is first Doha. SAREC's 2020 national level search and rescue exercise held in which of the following states? Options are first Andhra Pradesh, second Lakshadweep, third Andaman Nicobar, and fourth Goa. And the answer is for Goa. Milan 2020 naval exercise was scheduled to held in. Options are first Kochi, second Visakhapatnam, third Mumbai, fourth none of these. And the answer is second Visakhapatnam. The first edition of the Khelo India University Games 2020 was organized in. Options are first Meghalaya, second Goa, third Odisha, fourth Assam. And the answer is third Odisha. Which university topped the medal table in the first edition of Khelo India University Games 2020? Options are first Lucknow University UP, second Savitribai Phule University Maharashtra, third University of Rajasthan Rajasthan, fourth Punjab University Punjab. And the answer is fourth Punjab University Punjab. Which of the following statements regarding to Mahatma Gandhi Bunkar Bima Yojana is are correct? Options are first Mahatma Gandhi Bunkar Bima Yojana launched by Ministry of Textiles. Second, age group 51 to 59 years. Third, the scheme aims at providing social security benefits like life, accidental, and disability insurance coverage to handloom weavers workers. Fourth, all are correct. And the answer is fourth, all are correct. Which Indian women have been named in the Time magazine's list of 100 Women of the Year? Options are first Sonia Gandhi and Amrit Kaur, second Indira Gandhi and Amrit Kaur, third Mother Teresa and Indira Gandhi, fourth none of these. And the answer is second Indira Gandhi and Amrit Kaur. India pledged voluntary fund to tackle COVID-19 outbreak. The total amount of this emergency fund is. Options are first $2 million, second $5 million, third $10 million, fourth $20 million. And the answer is third $10 million. Crime Multi-Agency Center, which was launched recently, is related to which of the following organizations? Options are first National Crime Record Bureau, second Niti Aayog, third Ministry of External Affairs, and fourth none of these. And the answer is first National Crime Record Bureau. The Greek dispute is between which of the following nations? Options are first India and Nepal, second India and Pakistan, third India and Bangladesh, fourth none of these. And the answer is second India and Pakistan. Recently, which items are included in the Essential Commodities Act 1955 by the central government? Options are first mask and hand sanitizer, second petroleum CNG, LPG, PNG, third fruit and vegetables, fourth none of these. And the answer is first mask and hand sanitizer. Chapchar Good Festival is being celebrated by which of the following states? Options are first Mizoram, second Nagaland, third Tripura, and fourth Assam. And the answer is first Mizoram. पूसा कृषि विज्ञान मेला 2020 was inaugurated by. Options are first Giriraj Singh, second Nitin Gadkari, third Narendra Singh Tomar, fourth Narendra Modi. And the answer is third Narendra Singh Tomar. Which city will host the 108th Indian Science Congress scheduled to be held from 3rd to 7th January 2021? Options are first New Delhi, second Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, third Kolkata, West Bengal, fourth Pune, Maharashtra, and the answer is fourth Pune, Maharashtra. Operation Namaste, sometimes seen in the news recently, was launched by options are first National Disaster Response Force, second Indian Army, third Niti Aayog, fourth none of these, and the answer is second Indian Army. The Ministry of Health, through a special amendment, has categorized hydroxychloroquine (HCQS) under which schedule of drugs and cosmetic tools? Options are first schedule H3, second schedule H2, third schedule H1, and fourth schedule A1, and the answer is third schedule H1. Supreme Court removed the minister of which state for the first time on a disqualification petition? Options are first Madhya Pradesh, second Manipur, third Tamil Nadu, and fourth none of these, and the answer is second Manipur. Ritesh Agrawal, who was named as the world's second youngest billionaire, is the founder of which Indian startup company? Options are first Unacademy, second Specially Digital, third Oyo Hotels, fourth Swiggy. And the answer is third Oyo Hotels. Which state hiked the MLA's local area development fund to rupees 3 crores per year? Options are first Odisha, second Uttar Pradesh, third Goa, fourth Punjab. And the answer is second Uttar Pradesh. When is the Zero Discrimination Day observed annually across the world? Options are first 4th March, second 3rd March, third 2nd March, and fourth 1st March. And the answer is fourth 1st March. The mobile application Humsafar, which was in news recently, is associated with which service? Options are first door delivery fuel, second door delivery PDS, third booking train tickets, fourth none of these, and the answer is first door delivery fuel. What is the theme of the campaign conducted by Indian Railway to celebrate International Women's Day? Options are first free travel, second travel safety, third women's safety, fourth each for equal, and the answer is fourth each for equal. Which state has recently launched a digital literacy program titled I Am Also Digital? And the options are first New Delhi, second Goa, third Kerala, fourth Karnataka. And the answer is third Kerala. Which state is to set up an exclusive department for self-help group called Mission Shakti? Options are first Kerala, second Odisha, third Punjab, fourth Rajasthan. And the answer is second Odisha. The government has invoked Epidemic Disease Act to make health advisories enforceable. When was the act enacted? Options are first 1909, 1896, 1892, 1897, and the answer is fourth 1897. In context with the new recruitment system to be followed from 2021 for various government jobs, what does CET stand for? Options are first Central Entrance Test, second the Common Entrance Test, third Common Eligibility Test, and fourth none of these, and the answer is third Common Eligibility Test. How many public sector banks are now after merger? Options are first 15, second 12, third 10, fourth 13, and the answer is second 12. Name of the bank which will be merged with Punjab National Bank. Options are first Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India, second Canara Bank and Syndicate Bank, third Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank, and fourth none of these. The answer is first Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India. How many banks get merged into four banks? Options are first 8, second 9, third 10, fourth 11. And the answer is third 10. After merger, Punjab National Bank is the largest bank of India. Options are first 5th, second 4th, third 4th, second. And the answer is 4th, second. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, whose birth anniversary was celebrated recently, was the founder president of which country? Options are first Pakistan, second Bangladesh, third Nepal, fourth none of these. And the answer is second Bangladesh. Which former Chief Justice of India has been nominated to Rajya Sabha? Options are first Jagdish Singh Khehar, second Tarun Gogoi, third Ranjan Gogoi, fourth Adarsh Gogoi. And the answer is third Ranjan Gogoi. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh launched a book titled Invincible, based on which former Union Minister? Options are first Manohar Parrikar, second Sushma Swaraj, third George Fernandes, and fourth none of these. And the answer is first Manohar Parrikar. Who is the author of recently released book titled My Encounters in Parliament? Options are first Pratibha Patil, second Balchandra Mungekar, third Venkesh Naidu, fourth H.N. Singh. And the answer is second Balchandra Mungekar. World Cities Summit is a global biennial conference hosted by which country? Options are first India, second USA, third China, fourth Singapore. And the answer is fourth Singapore. The football coach Francisco Garcia, who has recently passed away after being infected by coronavirus, belonged to which country? Options are first Spain, second France, third Brazil, fourth Italy. And the answer is first Spain. Who among the British royal family tested positive for coronavirus on March 25, 2020? Options are first Prince William, second Prince Harry, third Prince Charles, and fourth Prince Philip. And the answer is third Prince Charles. Which state's folklore Yakshgan with more than 900 scripts has been digitized and made public? Options are first Kerala, second Karnataka, third Andhra Pradesh, fourth Tamil Nadu. And the answer is second Karnataka. Which place has been included in the list of 8 wonders of the world? Options are first Qutub Minar, second Akshardham, third Taj Mahal, fourth Statue of Unity. And the answer is fourth Statue of Unity. Where will the world's second highest statue of Gautam Buddha be made? Options are first Gujarat, second Bihar, third Maharashtra, fourth Assam. And the answer is first Gujarat. Which team has won the title of Ranji Trophy 2020 for the first time? Options are first Hyderabad, second Punjab, third Saurashtra, fourth Vidarbha. And the answer is third Saurashtra. Who was sworn in as the first woman president of Greece? Options are first Katerina Skelerpoulou, second Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, third Michelle Bachelet, and fourth Judy Smith. And the answer is First, Katrina Skeller Polo. Which city is at the top in Smart City Ranking 2020 released by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? Options are first Ranchi, second Hyderabad, third Gandhinagar, fourth Agra, and the answer is fourth Agra. Recently, GST Council has fixed the percentage of GST on mobile phones. Options are first 17%, second 18%, third 19%, fourth 20%. And the answer is second 18%. Which country has become the first country in the world to suspend all financial markets? Options are first Britain, second Indonesia, third Philippines, and fourth Malaysia. And the answer is third Philippines. Which state launched the Break the Chain campaign to fight the coronavirus? Options are first Tamil Nadu, second Maharashtra, third Punjab, fourth Kerala. And the answer is fourth Kerala. Who wrote the book A Tribute to Manohar Parrikar? Options are first Ramesh Singh, second Tarun Vijay, third Rakesh Vijay, fourth none of these. And the answer is second Tarun Vijay. India rank in International Energy Agency ranking. Options are first 3, second 4, third 5, fourth 6. And the answer is first 3. When is World Water Day celebrated? Options are first 29th March, second 28th March, third 22nd March, fourth 30th March. And the answer is third 22nd March. Which country has tested nuclear capable hypersonic missile? Options are first America, second Israel, third North Korea, fourth Japan. And the answer is first America. Who has been selected for Able Award for the year 2020? Options are first Karen Houellebecq, second Hillel Furstenberg, third Gregory Margulis, fourth both B and C. And the answer is fourth both B and C. Which state became the first state in the country to impose curfew due to COVID-19? Options are first Goa, second Punjab, third Kerala, fourth Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is second Punjab. What is the rank of India in the 2020 Index of Economic Freedom? Options are first 118, second 119, third 120, and fourth 121. And the answer is third 120. What is the name of new virus that appears in China amid the outbreak of COVID-19? Options are first hantavirus, second Nipah virus, third Yara Yara, fourth none of these. And the answer is first hantavirus. Which state announced the creation of a new district, Mayiladuthurai? Options are first Andhra Pradesh, second Tamil Nadu, third Telangana, fourth Karnataka. And the answer is second Tamil Nadu. Which country's Princess Maria Theresa has died due to coronavirus? Options are first UK, second France, third Italy, fourth Spain. And the answer is fourth Spain. According to a study, glaciers of which state of India are melting faster than other parts of Himalayas? Options are first Arunachal Pradesh, second Sikkim, third Uttarakhand, fourth none of these. And the answer is second Sikkim. The country's highest civilian honor for women. Options are first Mahila Shakti Award, second Stree Shakti Award, third Nari Shakti Puraskar, and fourth none of these. And the answer is third Nari Shakti Puraskar. Which Indian football legend died at the age of 83? Options are first Sunil Kumar, second Sanjay Batra, third Pradeep Kumar Sinha, and fourth Pradeep Kumar Banerjee. And the answer is fourth Pradeep Kumar Banerjee.